Hello everyone. So welcome to the next series of, or in fact, the last video in this series of lecture about layout diagram. Right. So I took the liberty of drawing the basic things. Right. So let me explain it once again. Right. So as layout diagram is nothing but it is a block or a box type diagram of your stick diagram. So I have there is nothing any major difference between these two diagrams. This is the last stick diagram we have drawn in the last lecture, right? So what I have did is I have just drawn each and every line in a box shaped structure, right? So forgive me for my irregularities in the diagram, right? So let me move on and complete the diagram, right? So from this diagram you can see that there is a line from here, this side of the A terminal, which is connected to C type, right? So and it is being connected to the supply, right? So we have to draw it, but we have to draw it in a box type structure. So since metal line is used, you have to use blue color, right? So let me draw like this. So this is C, over here it is, right? So you have to skip this structure and here you have to connect, right? So again here also you have to draw like this. So since I'm holding my mobile camera in one hand, I can't able to draw, so I can't draw it in clear fashion. So hope you don't mind, and hope there is no any confusion. So this is just a slot opening for which makes the, or which shows the connection between the metal line and this metal line, right? So the next thing is we have to mark a contact like whatever it is here. So for marking the contact, make a box like structure and put a X, right? So like this. So put a box like structure and X. So this is how you represent a contact in your layout. So other than that, everything is same, right? So again there is a connection here. So this connected at the last point and it is taken to the output, right? So from here you have to take, right? So from here to here. So this is the output, right? So again mark the contact. Right, so the upper part is over. So similarly you have to finish your lower part. So in the lower part the diagram is like this, right? So let me pause the video and finish it. So this is the connection, right? This is what I have did, right? I have taken a metal line from source terminal of my A transistor and I have connected with the source of my B, right? So I have to make a contact like this, and here also, right? The next thing is I have to connect the source terminal of D and E to the ground. So this I have done. So like this you have to draw, right? So the next connection is this one, right? So you have to take the drain of A and B and you have to connect it at the output terminal. So from this we have, here we have to take, right? So let me draw like this. So like this you have to draw. So okay, so this shows the connection, right? So again mention the contact, right? So it's over, and the last connection is this one, right? Source and drain of C and D has to be connected to the drain of E terminal, right? So like this you can draw and make a box. So I have completed the diagram, right? So this is how you draw a layout diagram, right? So there is no difference, there is no need to show any differentiation other than that. So simple differentiation using color is more than enough while drawing in the examination point of view, right? But the thing is you are not supposed to use any colors in examinations, so you better write the names of the layers at this side, right? So for example this is a metal layer, right? So metal, and this is nothing but VDD, right? So here this is nothing but P diffusion, so it is in yellow color, it has to be in yellow color. You can also name the color, right? So and in examination you can carry more than so you can carry 3 colors, right? I think right? So you can take a blue pen, black pen, and you can also use pencil and all, right? So try to differentiate your diagram using these 3 colors, so it will be more than sufficient to draw, right? So I hope my way of explaining the stick diagram and layout diagram is uh, clear enough for you people, right? So if you have any questions, queries, or doubts, you are welcome to put it in the chat box, comment box. I will be much eager to explain it. So that's it for today. So hope you all have a good day. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.